Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us for the first episode of Rooted in Design. Today, we're going to dive into the power of design and how we can transform a space that really speaks to the people who are living there. And what I want to do today is talk about a case study of a project I just finished, the construction just finished, and how it has changed the life of my client. When I started this project, the home was a one-story cape, and it was just the mother living there, and it was very useful for her needs. But her daughter wanted to move in because she was pregnant with her first kid, and they needed to expand and make it almost a two-family home. Unfortunately, that lot was in a zone that didn't allow for two families or mother-daughter or even an accessory dwelling unit. So what we did is we added a whole second floor to the cape, blowing out the roof and doing a new structure. So then the mother can move upstairs into her own private quarters, but still having an open access from the first floor so it looked like any other two-story house. But when you went up to the second floor, you would see that you have an entrance in the back to a second-story deck. So that would be her primary entrance. But legally, it's still considered a one-family home. And also in that second floor, to really make it her quarters, we were able to do a bedroom, a full bathroom with a shower, and a walk-in closet. But we also created like a den living room space for her so she can entertain. A tiny little laundry room just so she didn't have to use the same space as her daughter, as well as a little wet bar because legally we couldn't do a second kitchen, but she could have a mini fridge and have certain things there, but then go downstairs to spend time with her daughter and granddaughter while they cooked and ate together. So there was some compromises there, but at the end of the day, they could create this beautiful space where they can co-live and live privately in one single family house. So if you're looking for a property with something similar in mind, bring it up when you're talking to Dream Select Realty of your hopes and dreams for the home. So then in collaboration with me, we can give you advice and find the right property for you so we can create a similar space or even better. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life. Better one for you. Thank you.